Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to integrate ManyChat to HubSpot. First, go ahead and log into your ManyChat account. Once in, on the left panel, go to Settings, then scroll down to Integrations section. Here you will see different apps that you can connect from, so scroll down until you find HubSpot CRM. Now you need to connect your account. So just go ahead and choose your account. Now scroll down and agree to their terms, then connect the app. After that, allow and access. For here, select the email field and select email. Once done, on the left panel, select automations. Then click new automations. Here, click on the plus sign button at the right side, then scroll down and select actions. Now, click on action. Here you can select on HubSpot. And there you have it. You can now integrate HubSpot with ManyChat or vice versa. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.